Okay, welcome to Filth Surf Shop. We're going to look at fins and look at what makes a fin different as regards to the characteristics of the fin and the shape and the foil. And we've got a set of FCS down handy fins here. And what you will see a lot is people talking about different things like base and the depth and sweep and flex and whatever. You may wonder kind of what that does, how it works. Okay, so a bit of terminology first for you. The base is the distance between the trailing edge and the leading edge. So this distance all the way along here, this is the base. And fins generally with a longer base will give you more drive and more acceleration, okay, as an overall. The next thing to think about, or you'll hear about, is the depth of the fin. That's the measurement from the base to the very top of the fin up here. Okay, and again, you'll find that the more depth gives you more hold, and a shorter fin generally give you more slide and more release. The next thing is sweep or rake. This is the kind of curvature this way. Okay, and generally you'll find that a fin rather, with more sweep gives a longer turning radius, whereas a more upright fin with less sweep gives you a tighter turning radius. You'll also hear about flex as well, and flex is it can be flex, the twist of a fin, i.e. this way, or it can be how it bends or flexes along its length, along this edge. Again, you'll find the difference between the two is that a stiff fin is very instant, you can really feel what happens straight away, whereas a soft fin or flexible fin is more forgiving. And on a single fin or a 2+1 setup, it's more whippy as well. You get a whole whipping sensation out of it. There's also cant as well. So the cant is how much the fin actually leans out from the board. Okay, and that's determined by obviously the plugs in the board, but also the actual fin itself. At the bottom here, these tabs can be angled to allow the fin to cant in and out more. And less cant is more acceleration and stiffer, whereas more cant, you'll find the actual fin itself, or the board itself, will feel more manoeuvrable and it's a looser feel. And we have also foil. So the foil of a fin is actually the kind of the actual curvature on the inside edge, on this edge here. And you'll see most often a flat foil. Okay, that's traditionally a side fin. Then you'll find on quads and on tri-fins, you'll have a centred foil like that, and it might be you got on a quad a left and right still. One will have less and one will have more foil. And then on the new fins, you'll even find fins that have got a kind of concaved inside edge, and offers more control over what you can do with the fin performance-wise. So they're kind of main characteristics. Each one, you'll see a variety of numbers for each, for base, for sweep, for rake, for flex, etc, etc. When you hear those numbers being shouted about, you get half an idea now, hopefully, about what they relate to. Okay, hope you find out more online at filth.co.uk.